Remember when Airbnb was the coolest kid on the block? Yeah, me neither. Just kidding. But seriously, Airbnb used to be the go-to for cheap vacations and sticking it to the man. Hotels, I'm looking at you. It was the ultimate disruptor in the travel industry, offering unique stays and experiences that hotels just couldn't match. But lately, Airbnb's stock has been on a roller coaster ride from hell. Investors have been on edge, watching the value of their shares plummet and soar unpredictably. Up one day, down the next. It's been a wild ride, to say the least. Kind of like my dating life. One moment everything seems perfect, and the next it's a complete disaster. Ouch, that one hit close to home. But seriously, the volatility has been tough on everyone involved. What happened? Well, it turns out that running a global hospitality empire isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Who knew? Hosts are dealing with more challenges than ever, from increased competition to higher expectations from guests. And let's not forget the regulatory hurdles in various cities around the world. Many cities have started cracking down on short-term rentals, imposing strict regulations that make it harder for hosts to operate. This has added another layer of complexity to an already challenging business model. Despite these challenges, Airbnb is working hard to adapt and innovate. The company is exploring new markets and services to stay ahead of the curve. Only time will tell if they can regain their former glory. Meanwhile, in the Wild West of finance, crypto is doing its own thing. It's a world where traditional rules don't always apply, and innovation is the name of the game. And by thing, I mean absolutely crushing it. Sure, it's volatile and confusing, but that's part of the charm, isn't it? The highs and lows keep everyone on their toes. And sometimes I feel like I need a PhD in computer science just to understand what a blockchain is. The jargon, the technology, it can be overwhelming. But hey, at least it's exciting. The thrill of seeing your investments skyrocket, the community of like-minded enthusiasts, it's all part of the experience. Plus, crypto is all about decentralization and giving power back to the people. It's a movement towards financial freedom and independence, which is a nice change of pace from, everything else in the world. In a time where control and centralization dominate, crypto offers a breath of fresh air. So what does this all mean for Airbnb? Well, for starters, they might want to consider accepting crypto payments. I mean, it worked for Tesla, for a hot minute at least. Imagine booking your next vacation rental with Bitcoin, or Ethereum, or Dogecoin. Okay, maybe not Dogecoin, but you get the idea. Embracing blockchain technology could be a game changer for Airbnb. It could help them streamline payments, improve transparency, and maybe even win back some of those disillusioned customers. Look, I'm not saying you should sell all your possessions and invest in Bitcoin. That would be a bit extreme, right? But what I am suggesting is that you start thinking outside the box when it comes to your financial future. Traditional investments like real estate and stocks are great, but they aren't the only options out there. Although, if you do, let me know how it goes. Seriously, I'm curious. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and ever-evolving. It's not just about Bitcoin. There are thousands of different coins and tokens, each with its own unique value proposition. But I am saying that it's time to start paying attention to the world of crypto and blockchain. These technologies are revolutionizing the way we think about money, ownership, and even governance. Imagine a world where transactions are transparent, secure, and free from middlemen. Because this stuff is the future, whether we like it or not. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech genius to get involved. There are plenty of resources out there to help you understand the basics and get started. So do your research, invest wisely, and maybe one day we can all retire early and buy our own private islands. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on your very own beach, all because you took a chance on something new and exciting. A girl can dream, right? But dreams can become reality with the right mindset and a bit of courage. So why not take that first step today? Don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial wisdom from yours truly. Peace out. And remember, legends aren't born, they're made.